We're going to take a look and see what we're doing in the inertial propulsion workshop. Today we're doing a demonstration where we've built a little mock-up so that we can test precession. Gyroscopic precession is something that we mostly know about, but we don't know everything about it. It's not well defined, it's not well explained, and quite generally, it's just not used properly, even though we all experience it every day of our life. Take a quick look, see what we're doing, and if you're really interested, take a look and come on over to the Inertial Propulsion Workshop. We're on a school platform, and join us. Join in the discussions, join in the fun. See you there.